show. But how was I able to do that? How was I able to do that in just 3 weeks? Figure out a code that's going to get me more viewerships, more value, more viewerships, and more and more and more. All right, so let's break that down in this video. How to blow on YouTube in 2022. So what's the first thing that I believe gave me this competitive advantage? What was it that made this happen for me? What would I pin it down to? And the first thing I will say is, like I said, when you look at the Kenim O show, I created a new channel with content around sort of relationships, equality, and all those cultural essays I used to make on this channel. Why? Because those videos were so popular on this channel, but it was so sort of different from the